Hey there! Let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand revolves around a minimal API, .NET 8 code snippet. We encounter a challenge, a pesky CS593 error, under a lambda expression, related to a specific part of the code. The mention of this problem is crucial for us to move forward in finding a solution. Now onto the solution that can help us resolve this hiccup. By switching to using results instead of typed results, we can make things smoother within our API. The code provided showcases how this change can be implemented seamlessly, resulting in a cleaner and error-free lambda expression. Remember, clarity is key in overcoming coding obstacles. Continuing with the solution, a neat approach involves utilizing a ternary operator for a more concise and structured code block. By leveraging this method, we maintain the functionality we need while streamlining the overall process. It's all about finding the right balance between efficiency and readability in our coding journey. Moving along with our solution exploration, another insightful angle is presented by incorporating ResultsNotFound. Okay. This alternative illustrates how we can achieve the desired outcome through a slightly different implementation. Flexibility is key in coding, and this approach adds another layer of versatility to our toolbox. To wrap it all up, we've delved into a coding challenge and come out on top with effective solutions in hand. Remember, when troubleshooting errors, adaptability and creativity play a significant role in moving forward. Stay curious, keep coding, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!